Good afternoon, it is Hunter over at Audi Fall River. Today I'm going to be showing you the different ways to open and close the trunk on your new Q3. Let's jump right in. So first way, the most obvious of course, is using your hand. It's a power lift gate on this, and then you can also close it with the button. You can also change height, so if you want to bring it down a little bit, you hold the trunk button right here. It's going to make a sound and blink, and just like that. The next is going to be with the key fob itself. So you open it with the trunk, just like that. And then as long as the car is unlocked, if you double tap and hold, it's going to also close the trunk there. And the third and last way is the car does need to be on for this. If it's on and the trunk is open, you hit this of course to open it, and then to close it you just hold it again and it's going to close the trunk.